Now the WGAL News 8 Storm Team forecast with meteorologist Mike Susko.
Good afternoon, everyone. That gloomy stretch continues across the area today. More fog, more rain, and we will be seeing those cooler temperatures again as we go into tomorrow. We will also continue to see that rain as we go into the night tonight. The good news is it's not going to be a washout, though, for your Friday. In fact, Friday itself does look like it's going to be a mainly cloudy day with a couple showers here and there. We briefly warm up as we go into next week, and also we will be drying out with those temperatures getting into the 50s, 60s, and even 70s as we head into early next week. But right now, Storm Team Live Radar Network showing we do have some rain here, especially north of the Pennsylvania Turnpike, Lewistown, Liverpool area there as you head up into northern Dauphin County and parts of Perry County. They're getting a little bit of rain at the moment, but we're also watching some rain off to the west that you can see near Bedford. That will be pushing in as we go through the next couple of hours. And as it does, it could even be some moderate rain at times. So here's a look at predictor as we go through 6 o'clock. You can see that rain approaching from the west here. I think by 7 o'clock, that's where we're starting to see that more moderate rain approach our western counties. So think Mifflin, Juniata, Perry County, Franklin County, parts of Cumberland County getting that moderate rain. Then Harrisburg, Gettysburg, York, likely getting it around 8, 9 o'clock for you. And then by 10 o'clock, it's pushing into Lebanon and Lancaster County. But you can see, again, a little bit of moderate to even heavy rain will be possible with this as it comes on through. So just be aware of that. If you're going to be out tonight, you may encounter some of that heavy rain. And then it will move on out, but we will still have some fog to deal with overnight as well. So as I mentioned, that heavy rain starting to come into the area here right around that 7, 8 o'clock hour. And then as we go into the rest of the night, it'll be raining early, but then after midnight, we begin to see more of a cloudy sky and fog develop over the area with temperatures right around 40 degrees. As we go into tomorrow, it'll be cloudy. Isolated showers hit or miss. I think most of the area stays dry as we go throughout the day, but there will be some isolated hit or miss showers with highs right around 46 degrees as we go through tomorrow. In fact, let me show you this. So here's the front that pushes through tonight. That boundary will sit to the south here, and that's part of the reason why tomorrow it's more hit or miss. That boundary keeps any showers away from us, just not all of it all together. So you can see, again, tomorrow mainly cloudy, but a couple hit or miss showers as we go into the morning and afternoon, not out of the question. As we head into Saturday, winds will come out of the south. That's going to lift the front to the northeast and help us get in some warmer air, but it also will be setting us up for some showers, maybe in some rumbles of thunder as we go into Saturday late evening and overnight. It does look like Saturday morning and afternoon is going to be mainly dry for our area, but Saturday night, just keep in mind, we could see some showers and even some thunderstorms pushing through with a cold front. How much rain between now and the time everything is said and done? An additional ½ an inch, maybe 3/4 of an inch in parts of the Susquehanna Valley here. So not enough to cause flooding, but still enough where it'll be obviously leading to a soggy ground as we go through the next couple of days. Saturday, high of 58 degrees, but that temperature actually may be closer to the evening hours. It may take a while, especially in our eastern counties, for temperatures to warm up on Saturday. And then on Sunday, 62 degrees, a few showers in the morning, but most of the day you're looking at sun and clouds as we go into the afternoon here. Also, keep in mind on Sunday, daylight saving times will begin there at 2 o'clock in the morning. That's also when our 7 o'clock sunsets will return to the Susquehanna Valley as well. But your 10-day forecast, you can see it here as we head into the weekend. That warming trend will continue. As I said, we get the 62 on Sunday, 66 for Monday, and then 70 degrees on Tuesday, even in the low 70s on Wednesday, but then it will drop back down in cooler weather. And it's been a gloomy pattern here. For more on that, let's go over to meteorologist Ryan Argenti.
Mike, you've been talking about the gloomy pattern and also some of that sunshine really just kind of socked away across the Susquehanna Valley. And that's because we've been dealing with back-to-back low pressure systems and also some colder air coming in from the northeast. So let's chat about it a little bit. So here's Storm Team Live Radar Networks. This is what we're seeing at this time. But I want to zoom out the picture and really give you a big picture of what we're seeing. So I'll step off from this side to show you. You see this big area of high pressure that's happening. You see the blue arrows that are coming in over the Atlantic. So there's cold air that's coming in from Canada. And so what happens, we have the Appalachian Mountains, right? So what happens is that this cold air gets dammed up or trapped up against the Appalachians. And so when you have that colder air, that keeps it cooler outside. And then also, look at this conveyor belt of different low pressure systems and all these frontal boundaries. That creates more moisture and also allowing more chances for there to be some rain showers. So that's some of the details there. So if you wanted to spell it out for you there, the warmer air aloft acts like a lid and keeps that cooler air staying near the surface. That colder air from the ocean dams up against the mountains. We'll see some light, and with those light winds, there's barely any mixing. So that's why we've been so damp and so cool across the area. But I will say, we definitely need the rain. So it's nice that we do have the rain.
Yeah, I'm laughing a little bit because it said here in the rundown, it said, Ryan, why so gloomy? But you answered it. You answered why so gloomy. I just figured we couldn't, get to the 70s without a little something happening.
I know. When's the sunshine return?
That's what I'm talking about.
Well, we know it's coming next week, right?
Yeah, it's coming next week.
It's coming.
Yeah.
And Michael and I looked at each other once you started talking about daylight savings. I can't believe it's already here.
I know, yeah, and the 7 o'clock sunsets, that's going to be really nice. And you get all the way, because our producer Lucy was asking, all the way until actually the first day of fall.
Oh.
So you get all spring and all summer with 7 o'clock sunsets.
You just got to get over that time hump.
Yeah. We'll tell you a little bit about that in just a little bit. We want to take a look at traffic.